So Santorini is a place that you can completely explore in 5 days. You don't need more than 5 days in Santorini to visit the museums, to visit the cathedrals, Orthodox and Catholic churches scattered in the island, to visit the wineries, another must-see in Santorini, simply because over there they have a unique taste in the wines. The two famous varieties over here, the two famous wines you have to try is Assyrtiko and the sweet dessert wine Vinsanto, because simply the vines are actually rooted in the volcanic soil that gives them a very specific flavor. And as you can see, even the way they create the vines in a basket very low down to the earth, so it's not destroyed by the strong winds of the Cyclades. It's very unique to see the procedure and, of course, taste these wines that are aged in barrels inside cave houses, of course. So another thing you can do is hike in the entire trail in the cliffside. It can take you from 2 hours up to the whole day, depends how many times you're going to stop to take photos of the incredible views of the volcanoes. And one of the must-sees is, of course, sailing. There are tons of different excursions sold in Santorini, where you can go on a sailing, eat on the boat, jump in different areas, and also visit, of course, the volcanoes. So what about food in Santorini? What is famous in Santorini? Number one, fava, yellow split pea. They have the best fava in Santorini. It's a side dish normally for the Greeks with a lot of fresh olive oil, lemon. Sometimes people also use capers on top, or you can eat the tomato balls deep fried in olive oil. We call domatokeftedes. Domata is tomato. You can also eat the sauce created from the white eggplant, really unique in Greece, only in Santorini they have it, or taste the apochti, the air-dried salted pork, or the little dessert made with sesame and different kind of nuts, given traditionally in weddings in Santorini, called kopania. So these are things that are typical of the cuisine of the island. And of course, when you ask for them in a local restaurant, people will know that you are a true traveler and not just a tourist going in for the famous moussaka.